Hi all, welcome to Smile Tech Apps mobile channel. In this video, I will be showing the installation of Microsoft Office 2007. So once we install, we will check and open to see how it works. Yeah. So as you can see, my phone is just loading to the Windows 10 operating system. Yeah. We're in the start screen, so let me just a minute. Yeah, so we are in build 17692. So I'm just going to the softwares folder. Yeah, setup, and I'm gonna run the setup. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, it says this, and click yes, and it just opens. So give a moment. Yeah, as you can see, it is just preparing for. Okay, I need to just enter the 25 product key. Just a minute, I'll be back. Yes, so I just inputted my key there. I'm gonna exit this, continue. I'm gonna just customize it. I don't need all the packages, so I don't want access. Okay, let me just see. I don't want glue, not available. Oh, I think let me just go and install everything actually. Run from my computer. Yes, just a second. Yeah, just a minute. We'll be back. So we selected all the packages there. Now I'm gonna click install now. As you can see, the installation process has started in my phone. So it's gonna take a few minutes. So let me just slide there a bit. So it is just installing. So till then, let me just give an overview of how the Windows Phone works. In this, okay, this is the tablet. Let me just switch to my normal mode. So just switch it back. Yes. Okay. Tablet mode. I just click this. Yeah. Okay. So here's my screen. Here's my folders. I'm gonna close this. Still, I'm just waiting for the package to get installed. So let me just go check. This is the office here, but this is the office 2013, whereas I'm installing Microsoft Office 2007. So just a minute, let it load. So it will take a little time. Office 2013 is not installed. If you see here, the 2007 is getting installed. You see the green icon there. Yes. So it installs a little faster actually in this phone. I think better than the PC. Some maybe very oldest or old, not even oldest. I mean, it's very faster here. If you see the green icon here, it is just installing faster. Okay, let's see what is at the back. I think this is the Windows 2013, which is not installed in this. What is this? This is OneDrive here. Okay, there's a sign in button here. How to fix it? Okay, we are unable to connect. When we connect to the network, as of now, as I told you, the network, the Bluetooth is ready. Through Bluetooth, you can connect to internet also. Even the USB port is almost ready there. That can be used for various lot of things. So okay, let me just see. This is setup drive. I'm just gonna close this, and I'm gonna close this also. If you see your close window, you didn't see that option, so I click here and just close. So let's get back to the status. It's installing the Microsoft Windows. Sorry, it is installing the Microsoft Office 2007. So once it finishes, I will be back. So we are back. We are just checking what is the progress here. So as you can see, we have almost completed 60%, I guess. So let's just wait for a few minutes. Okay, so till then let me just give a walkthrough of other items here. So as you can see here, this is the office we opened. Okay, this is a tips window which is opened here. So let me just show you the tips window here, working on it. Okay, I need to get connected to the internet. Let's just close that. So OneNote is already there. There's a Photos app. This is the Spots. Spots also opens faster here. So let's see what it loads. So Spots sign in. Okay. So everything just says that. Okay, signed. We need to click this close icon. So we are there. So let me be back. So in the meantime, let me just show you more apps till that gets installed. So there's a OneNote app here. So as you see, all the Microsoft applications loads very faster. And this, so I'll just click this and this. Okay, this also needs the internet connection. So I'm gonna close this. Next, I'm gonna open the calendar app. As you see, background installation is going on, even though all apps open in a perfect manner here. So add icon, go to calendar. This is go to calendar. I'm just going to the calendar now. So let's see. Oh, so as you see, I'm able to. It's just so smooth and there's no hiccups as such. And it's September 2019 dismiss. I'm gonna close this. Then let me go here. So here we say alarm and clock. So this is alarm and clock. It says okay, notifications will okay when the PC is awake. Okay, so let me just close this. And then calculator we have not checked. Okay, see this option is also there. See, and you see calculator. So this is the latest build actually. So you see here it is very perfect. 100 into 20. 2000. Great, it's working perfect. Then I'm gonna check. Next would be yes, the messaging app for reading the phone SIM. Okay, dismissed. No messages. I get a plus icon here. So this is the default messaging app. Once your SIM is activated, we can use this. Then next we have this is the connect. So ideally, I think we need to install the Miracast driver in this. Okay, then it will work. Okay, next let's go to Cortana. I wonder what Cortana will. Okay, when you click Cortana, I guess she's here. Yes, sure. I did that now. Maybe later. Anything? Go ahead and tell me something. Not now. Thank you. So that's also done. Next, this is the feedback up. So as you see, I'm opening a lot of application and it loads very faster and faster actually. Go online, try again. Okay, that's not needed. Close it. Next, we are going to get. Okay, this is the mail. So I just clicked mail. Yeah, I just showed this. Yes, we just went through this. So let me just go to get help. There's something called as get help. Let's see what is it. It looks not let me fix that. So when we click this, what happens? I think a troubleshooter gets opened. So let it open. So let me just see. It's like I'm doing multitasking, and even though even though it seems like to work very nicely and smoothly without any lag. So it's like real desktop running without any lag. Even so good. So I think it all depends on the latest build. I guess the build which I'm using, that is the 17692, seems to be working perfectly fine. Then let's go to Paint 3D. There's a people here. I'm gonna open this people. I think people is gonna open. Yes, welcome to the people. Get started. Yes, get started. What is this there? Yes. So if you see, I get all the notification much faster. Ready to go. Yes, it says we cannot find people. Add the contacts. Sorry, it's gonna select all these options. So I select Google. Creating account. No, I think it's gonna connect to your internet. Yes. So if I'm not connected, try again. Close, and here we go. Then we have people done. Then we have photos. I don't think so I have any photos in the phone to show. This is the Photos app, default Photos app. Okay, now let me open I don't know, there's something called maps. So I think this is also gonna connect to the map. Okay, it's gonna connect to precise location, so it will load, I guess. So this is the first time I'm checking this application. So okay, let's just close this. Yes, sure. So next is, let's go to movies and TV. Yeah. Okay, it says check your internet connection. So let's close it. So again, let's go to okay, Groove Music. I think there's something. Groove Music. Okay, let's open some game. Yeah. So Microsoft Solitaire collection here. Yes, you see. Okay. It's just loading. Okay. That's good. Let me just close this. So that's all, I guess. Let me just click your phone. So this is link your PC and phone. Okay, so let's just, so done. We're almost there. See, I'm gonna close this. Close. Yeah. So as you see, we have installed Microsoft Office, so it might appear somewhere here. 1 second, let me just open this. Okay, as you can see here, Okay, I've installed all the packages now. As you see, I've installed all the packages. So let me just open Word. Word, yes. So the first start, obviously it will see it is just loading. So it works so beautifully here actually. So as you can see, all the menus have loaded, and I think the first dialog box will pop up now, saying connect to internet and other stuff. Your keyboard cannot open. Okay. Okay. Oh, there's insufficient space. It says. Okay. Great. Okay. It says here. Search online next. I do want the update. Okay. Yes. So I just select this, and if you see there, hand finish. So I'm gonna click this. You see it opens there. I'm gonna close this, and I'm gonna close this. Okay, here close. So I'm gonna open Hetzel. I'm gonna open three. That is, I'm gonna open a PowerPoint. Hetzel here now. I'll just click Hetzel. It is opening Hetzel, and yes, here we go. So you can zoom it, play around, work around, type, do whatever you want. So all the options will be available. Exit Excel goes, and I'm gonna open next Microsoft Office PowerPoint. It's gonna open the PowerPoint here. So this is the first load of the PowerPoint, so it will take okay, it's not taking much time, it's so fast. So I'm just liking it. So let me just try to open Outlook. So this is my Outlook. Okay, here it says Microsoft Office. So I just opened Edge by mistake. Okay, we didn't see the heads. Let us just have a look. Okay, let's close this. Anyway, there's no internet there. I'm gonna just go faster. So we're gonna go to with Outlook, yes. So Outlook, I think it takes little time in PCs, so it will take some amount of time here because a lot of things need to configure, but this seems to be very fast. Yes, so this seems to be very fast actually. I don't want this. Okay, I need to go to the landscape mode for this. Yeah, just a minute. So that's it for now. I think we saw a lot of applications. Now I'm just shutting it down. Okay, so it's gonna shut down now. So I'll create another video for another video which shows a lot of applications that we can use in Windows 10 ARM. That on Lumia 950 Excel phone. So thank you for watching.